there's a veg, but it's not cooked. Look, it's not cooked. It's just have some. See if this gonna be so yummy. I will just taste it. Ang eating not cooked food for the first time. I'm gonna not cooked food. Have veggies. Veggies. Oh, tasty guys. Well, guys, like this video. So it's yummy. I think I can finish one of this. So let's try. Very spicy. Mama, look. It's have pepper. So that means spicy. Have pepper. Green pepper. It is spicy. The pepper. So we'll pick up the pepper because it's gonna be spicy. Oh, yum. So yummy, guys. Make sure guys, if you're Filipino, I like this. Thank you for cooking. Yeah, thank you for cooking this, Filipinos. If you are Filipino, that's great. Spicy. So spicy. Ma, here you go. Spicy. So that's all for today, guys. Make sure to click the subscribe button, turn the notification, give it a shot. Bye.